In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Brevo API Key. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can quickly generate an API key inside your Brevo account and start using it in your apps or integrations. Make sure you're already signed up for Brevo and that you can log into your account before you begin. First, open your browser and go to the Brevo website. Log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, look toward the top right corner of the Brevo dashboard. You should see your company name or account name displayed there. Click on that name to open a drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, which is where all the configuration options live. When the settings page loads, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. Carefully scroll or look through that list until you find the section called SMT and API. Go ahead and click on that. This area is specifically designed for email sending configurations and for managing your API access. Inside the SMT and API section, you'll notice there are different tabs or subsections. Look for the one labeled API Keys and MCP and switch to that tab. This is where Brevo lets you create and manage your API keys. An API key is essentially a secret code that allows other tools or your own software to securely talk to your Brevo account. Now, in the API keys and MCP area, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a button that says Generate a new API key. Click that button. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear, asking you to name your new API key. Choose a clear and descriptive name for this key, especially if you plan to use multiple keys later. For example, you might name it based on the app or website that will use the key. Type your chosen name into the provided field, then click the Generate button. The pop-up will reload, and you'll now see your newly generated API key. At this point, it's very important to copy this key and store it somewhere safe and secure, because this is what your applications will use to connect to Brevo. Avoid sharing it publicly and only paste it into trusted tools or environments. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Brevo API key and you're ready to use it in your integrations.